Thursday, June 16th, 2024. We've just gotten on I-85 South at the Jefferson exit, and the craziness has already begun. We didn't get it on video, we had it turned off. But as we turned right, when we came out of the QT, we had to yield to oncoming traffic getting on the freeway, and a Mustang and a motorcycle got to race coming down the ramp to get on 85. Motorcycle won. I wonder if the rest of the day is going to be like this. Anyway, let's go ahead and stop this now. We're headed into Decatur. We're going to get some North DeKalb Mall that before it's torn down. We're going to get some of Decatur, maybe the old Decatur Waterworks, Peachtree Creek, South Peachtree Creek, that goes back, flows down beside North DeKalb Mall. Go over a little bit about that. The trail they're making all the way over to Emory. A lot of it's already completed. But anyway, let's turn this off and we'll wait for some more craziness. Okay, picking back up for a short clip. We haven't seen any more craziness yet. We're probably going to go to the old Decatur Waterworks, DeKalb Tennis Center first before the trail gets too crowded. That place really gets crowded now that they've got most of it complete. Then it goes down to Emory. Then we'll go into Decatur. We'll come out of Atlanta. We need to find another way to go into and come out of Atlanta. We've done that just about every way we can figure out how to do it. Yesterday it was 95, went down to 72 last night. It was low humidity, about 40%, a little over maybe 42%, so yesterday wasn't very bad. I don't know what it's going to be today. The humidity is supposed to be 92 and 72 for tonight, 89, 69 tomorrow. It's showing mostly cloudy with sun, so I don't expect a whole lot of weather drama. And let's see, right now, Fathersday, the 16th of June, we now have 342,921 miles on the van. We just checked our gas mileage. We're getting about 12.42. So our fuel gauge doesn't work anymore. It'll either show slap full, slap empty, or anything in between. So we have to check by mileage. And so we reset it at 0, and then at 31 gallons and 12 miles a gallon, it should give us about 370 miles. So around 275 to 300, we start looking for decent gas price, or the best gas price, so we can fill up. Georgia 20, Buford and Lawrenceville. I guess we're going to just go into 85 to Claremont, get off Claremont and cut over to the Decatur Waterworks, but that could change, so we'll see how it goes. We'll go ahead and cut this back off now. We just uploaded and posted a video, the first video, Father's Day video. We'll probably get this one uploaded or posted and started uploading about the time we get off. We'll go ahead and put it together and get it uploaded. But right now we'll go ahead and turn this one off. gets very crowded. I meant to turn the camera around and turned it off instead. Down here at Claremont Road, we're going to go left back towards Decatur. We're going to find something to eat and then go to the old Decatur Waterworks, get a couple of pictures, short videos there, and then work our way on over to North DeKalb Mall. We will get a picture of the original. It's still there, the bridge, Claremont Road, when it was 2-lane across Peachtree Creek, South Peachtree Creek. Okay, let's turn this one off. This will be a wrap, I think.